What's up, everybody? This is actually my own box. I haven't done my own box in a long time. Everything I get is mine, and hopefully it's something good. It's triple threads, little two-hitter quitter there. So without further ado, let's get her going. And hopefully I won't get screwed on this deal. A little expensive for 2 packs, but hey, what can you do? There's the 2 packs. I don't know which one I'm going to open first, so I'm just going to pull one out. Yep, there it is. Kind of neat looking. I sure do have trouble getting in these damn packs. There it is, silver pack. And let's see here. I think this is just the jersey, because I don't see any silver. First card we have, Marcus Colston. Next card, Tony Gonzalez. One from the back. Best quarterback of all time, Alex Smith. Another one from the back. Got a Brian Westbrook, number to 199. And let's see for the hit. Not bad at all. Reggie Wayne. I know the lighting in here sucks right now. Don't know if you can see it. I'm not seeing it on my little display, but it's Reggie Wayne, numbered 2 out of 27. It's pretty nice. And the last card, Terry Bradshaw, one of the greatest quarterbacks of all time. Now, we got the main hit. We know it's the autograph, or at least in theory. Alright, got her open. And let's hope for something good. And it's in the second card, which is usually weird. Here's Terrell Owens. Some of these cards. D'Angelo Williams, numbered to ridiculous. Randy Moss, numbered out of 25. Not the greatest receiver of all time. It's good though. And let's see what the hit is. Oh wow, that's pretty nice. Brady Quinn, 7 of 9 autographed triple patch. That is just awesome. Last card is Edgerrin James. Well, I think I did alright. I'm happy with it. Could have been a lot worse. There's Roy Hall in that junk and some others. Thanks for viewing, and until the next case break, goodbye.